Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm your finger, my ring, and I turn coins into rings. So we're going to play with today. This is a 5 cents US coin. United States of America. And this is a 1999. There's a sci-fi TV channel called that. Many moons ago. Right, let's punch a hole in it. This is a very, very small coin. So I'm going to use a 3/8 punch. I think I've made one of these once before. It might even be in my store, I don't know. Because my girlfriend does all that. She's the clever one. I'm the dumbass one. There you go. Here's the punch. Go over to Big Bertha. And punch a hole in it. This is my 20-ton hydraulic press. That happens to be leaking oil. One day I'll go to this and nothing will happen. I'll have to get some more oil for this. Bloody thing weighs a ton. I don't know why I bought a 20-ton one. Probably because I'm stupid. Okay. Bet you can do stuff on your car, you know. Not that I do much to my car. Right, let's bang that out. Right, there you go. That's one punched 5-cent coin. So let's give it an anneal. Or let's deburr it first, eh? Getting ahead of myself again. This just cleans up the inside of where you punch through. You want to make sure there's no cracks or hairlines, cracks or creases or anything in there. Otherwise, when you come to fold the coin and turn it into a ring, you could split it. And I won't say it this time. I'd like to, but I'm not going to. Right. Let's get Bernie the fire stick. This just anneals the coin, so you can work it a bit easier. And then as you work it, it hardens up and you do it again. You're just looking for an orangey flame at the end. Like that. That's annealed. So how are you all doing today? Good? I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button. And if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, there's a little red button down there somewhere. If you hit that, you're automatically subscribed, so come on. Right, 17-degree die, that's too big. Oh, that'll do it. So shall we go for... Shall I go for In God We Trust? Or... Yeah, let's go for In God We Trust, eh? So that's the side you want face down. You want to try and get this nice and level. Okay, let's go to Big Red. This is a 1-ton arbor press. Hey, come on. Sorry about the knees again. I don't you guys and girls getting too excited. I can't help it. If I've got sexy knees. Okay. You got any questions or something you want to ask me? You can email me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. You can leave a comment under the video. Right, let's clean it up a bit more. Just want to make sure that is nice and clean. I have trouble fitting these over my ring structure. That's the trouble with the tiny coins. They're a bugger to get started. As you'll probably see. I'll leave it in close like that for now. This. That's the. Oh yeah. So there it go. Not quite. So I have to play around with it a bit and sort of cheat it. No. Come on, start your bugger. Yes. It doesn't matter if you muck it up a bit to start with. There you go. Because you're not hitting any of the detail on the inside. Okay, that's good. Right. Bit of kitchen roll. Keeps you losing any of the detail from the inside. Not that there's a lot on this coin, but what there is I'd like to keep. Give it a quarter of a turn each time. It stretches the ring evenly. I'm going to have to anneal it again. It's getting a bit hard. Forgot I zoomed in there. There you go. You didn't miss much. Use it again. This ring will be in my shop at yourfingermyring.com, and if you want this very ring, all you've got to do is get your size, let me know, and I can adjust this a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. All right. Give it a bit more of the old Uchi Kitchi. This is going to be quite a small ring though. Yeah, nearly fits my finger, my little finger. What size have we got then? EU size, we've got a 63. The good old US of A size is a 10, just over 10 and a quarter. I think that'll do. I don't want to push me luck. Let's get a bit more fire. Okay, what we got? Clean that a bit more. Some different coloured spots. Okay, that's good. So now we need to, I might as well do that now. Set lip on the inside and cut that out. So that makes the ring uncomfortable to wear. So if we rip that out quick, there's not much of it there, so this shouldn't take more than 8.25 seconds, I think. There you go, that's good. Right, let's go down to the bottom of spike. What we've got here. Okay. These are just reducing dies. Quite a bit more. What we got on this side, anything? That'll work. I don't like that reducer, I like this one. Yeah, I can always get the size I want. Not a lot happened there. Okay. Bit more. That's not too bad. Right. There's a little bit more now. That's good. There's still wool. Clean up the fire scale. This is quad zero steel wool, so it doesn't scratch, it just cleans things up. Okay, what we got? Let's go. Let's change it. Let's stick on the old polishing thingy. Right. Right, if you've got a special coin at home that you'd like me to make into a ring for you, send it on, I'll do it for you. These make great gifts. Birthdays, Christmas, or anything really. It's a bit different, you know. Like on the market, a lot of people say, well, I'd rather buy one of these. Because I sell them on the market for 25. They said, I'd rather buy one of these than a bloody t-shirt, because t-shirts are crap. Most of them are made of Fruit of the Loom and just stuff that just falls to bits. And with this, yeah, lasts them a lifetime. A Greek friend of mine does t-shirts, but he gives good quality ones. There's a couple on the market that just sell this cheap rubbish. Yeah, it looks lovely. Till you wash it a couple of times. Let's get better. See, you've still got all the detail inside. On the outside, Liberty, 1999. In God we trust. So, there you go. Looking for a nice ring? I've got one. Have a great one. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.